Hi, I'm Brian from Clean Gate Centre. First of all, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you for choosing Clean Engineering for supplying your gate. We'll go through the steps to manually override your gate in case of power failure. So if you bear with us for a couple of minutes, we'll run through that very quickly. So when our engineer was installing your gate, they would have done a handover with you and they will give you two manual override keys, a small little black triangular style key. Once you go to the front of your slide gate motor, you'll see that there's a round black cover covering the access to the keyhole. If you pull down that black cover, you'll see that your key will sit into that hole and you will turn it anti-clockwise, a quarter of a turn, and it will pop out the override handle. On the override handle, you'll see that there's a small image showing the direction to turn to unlock, which is anti-clockwise. You literally turn that handle 3 times anti-clockwise and you hear a small click. And then you'll find that your gate is now in manual release and you can actually push and pull it over. And just be careful that fingers don't get stuck in rotors or anything like that as you're opening it. On the return of power, so if it's an ESB power outage and the power is back in an hour time or whatever time, you can do all them steps in reverse. So you go to the handle, you turn it 3 times in the clockwise position and it should tighten up. You then push it in and it engages back into the lock. And if you give your gate a little pull, you'll see that it's now re-engaged. If you use your zapper or your phone system to trigger the gate will automatically find its own way home. And it's as simple as that. As always, if you have any issues with your gates, please pick up the phone and contact our in-house customer support.